Unique, nature tumbler gifts, to give to others, or yourself, for birthdays, Christmas, as a thank you, or just because. There is the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights. It features 3 beautiful, snowy landscapes, showing the night sky, with the vibrant and colorful Aurora Borealis. There is the colorful and lush landscape garden. It features a beautiful garden, with colorful trees, and a vivid blue pond. There is the colorful and vibrant purple waves. It features a colorful and vibrant ocean scene, with huge waves. These tumblers are sold on Amazon, by Tangela Couture. Go to the link in the description to quickly go to the Amazon store to buy them.